And myself Kekavat. Today in this revisional video, I am going to explain the summary of the two stories about flying. The first is his first flight. Now see the summary of his first flight. Look here, a young seagull who was afraid to fly, while his brother, his sisters, everyone learned to fly easily. But Seagull thought that his wings were so small and weak that he cannot fly. That is why he never tried to fly. But his parents worried about it. They always tried to encourage him. They also scolded him. They also taught him. But he could not gather courage to fly. He could not gather courage to fly. Finally, his parents decided to leave him alone on the edge. They thought that hunger might force him to fly. They did not give him anything to eat. It was 24 hours since they had left him alone, and during this time he had not eaten anything since the previous night. When he found a dried piece of mackerel's tail, he had been watching his parents teaching his brother and sister flying, swimming, skimming, and catching fish. And he saw that his brother and sister both are learning flying, swimming, speaking, and catching fish very well. He saw that his brother had caught a Harris fish. He was eating his fish. His father was preening his wings. They were all on the opposite plateau. He could neither fly nor swim to reach them. Seagull as Seagull is another plateau. He wanted to go to there, but he could neither fly nor swim. The problem is how to reach there. He just watching them. He was hungry, so he desired to eat anything, as he saw that his brother and sister are enjoying to eat fishes. He tried to get their attention by dozing just near the edge of the ledge, but no one looked him. Then he saw his mother eating fish and looking at him. He was hungry, so he begged her mother to give him some, but she would not give him anything because she wanted that seagull must learn how to fly and become able to catch the fish. The sight of food made him mad with hunger. Then he saw his mother coming toward him with a piece of fish in her beak. When he saw that his mother coming toward him with a piece of fish, in her beak, he became happy. He jumped with happiness and ran up to the edge of the ledge to get the food. His mother came very near to him but did not give him the fish. Maddened with hunger, he dived to catch the fish, but the mother flew away. As due to hungerness, he died. That is why he started to go downward with a loud scream. He fell downwards and onwards. He was terrified because first time due to hungerness he forgot that he jumped down of the ledge. That was only for a minute. Then his wing spread outward and he flapped. As soon as he flapped, his wing started to work and at once he started flying. He was no longer falling but flying downward. He flapped again. He started flying upward. He was thrilled. His family encircled him. When he started to climb, all the members of his family, as his parents, his brother and sister, everyone encircled him. They were encouraging him. They were shrieking with joy. In this way, everyone tried to encourage him. And for half an hour, he enjoyed flying. He forgot about his hunger. Then his family invited him to a land on the sea. As his feet went the sea, he thought he was sinking. Then his breast touched water and he started floating. He was no more afraid to fly or float. In this way, Seagull learned how to fly and also learned how to swim, and slowly he learned to catch the fishes. In this way, his parents succeed to teach him how to swim. Thanks. Next is the next video.